These Iron Walls adjustable metal bed risers offer 4 distinct height settings, making it easy to tailor underbed clearance for storage or cleaning in tight dorm or apartment spaces. The heavy-duty steel construction and exceptionally high weight capacity inspire confidence for supporting substantial furniture like solid wood beds, desks, and shelving units. A wide, flat support plate made from thick metal spreads the load evenly and works well with many leg shapes, which helps keep frames from shifting or digging into the risers. The fully enclosing design with locking screws, rubber caps, and foam pads keeps the bed steady while also cutting down on squeaks and protecting delicate flooring. Installation is straightforward and tool-free, so you can raise a bed to a more comfortable height or reclaim storage space without drilling or modifying the frame. As long as your furniture has straight legs within the specified size, this 4-piece riser set is a practical, durable upgrade for maximizing space in a bedroom or dorm room.